Welcome to Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. Under this department, we look at overall development of the student. And for this, we have one interesting event called Triangular Trophy. Under this event, students come across three triangle sides, that is cultural, academics, and also sports.
Expert sessions in my department include guest lectures, workshops, and value-added courses.
Being part of clubs like Robocon is a game changer as you get technical expertise and hands-on experience.
Because of the field visits in action during renewable energy systems has deepened my understanding in renewable energy and sustainable energy and has also provided me first-hand insights into their operation efficiency and real-world challenges.
The faculty here are not just our teachers, but also our mentors who provide us with constant support and guidance.
I feel incredibly lucky to be part of Space Technology and Research Group at MIT-WPU, where we get to explore limitless possibilities of space technology.
Electrical and Electronics Engineering of MIT-WPU is equipped with state-of-art lab equipments, which is instrumental for the project work as well as the research papers required to be submitted by the students during the course.
Research and innovations are the pillars of the department.
Global exposure, internships, and placement support make the students industry ready and equip them to excel in their careers, making meaningful impact on the society.
In our program, we are having lot of state of art of the laboratories, which will give you the blend of this latest concept as well as the emerging technology, so that the student will emerge as the future ready engineers.
In the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, we have lot of well-equipped labs. These labs provide lot of modern equipments, and these equipments help students to generate their good theoretical and practical knowledge.
We engage our students with an approach of problem-based learning, project-based learning, and experiential learning. We take our students to field visits. We provide them industrial training that gives them valuable insights for applying the knowledge they gain for practical applications.
This collaborative environment enhances the problem-solving capability amongst the students, wherein the students can apply their knowledge to the real-life problems. And this way, they are able to connect with the society and solve the societal problems.